Hello everyone, welcome back to Trial of Spices. This is Priya. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make potato egg salad or a sandwich. This is one of my favorite lunchbox to goes or even in the morning breakfast. This sandwich is a very simple recipe. You just need boiled eggs, boiled potatoes, mayonnaise, honey mustard, some celery, some onions, salt. I made this a little modified with some chipotle ranch and some sweet relish and some mini peppers. You don't need it, it's not compulsory, this is just optional. Chop all the vegetables, chop your eggs and boiled potatoes, everything into small pieces. Now I have chopped everything. To this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of mayo, 2 tablespoons of honey mustard. If you don't have honey mustard, you can just use plain honey. Add about 1 tablespoon of chipotle ranch, half tablespoons of relish and some cayenne pepper. If you don't have cayenne pepper, just use regular black pepper powder. You don't need to add any salt to this recipe because mayo has enough salt, but in case you need it, you can adjust this later. Take 2 slices of bread, chop the sides. You don't need to throw the sides, you can just put them in the baking tray and preheat the oven in 300 degree and then leave it for 30 minutes. Once it's dried out, you can make breadcrumbs out of it. Now apply room temperature butter to the breads. If you want, you can toast the breads, but I don't like it toast, so I'm just leaving it plain. If you don't like to use bread, you can just eat the egg and potato mixture as a salad. You can serve this sandwich hot or cold. It's a good recipe for picnic, lunchbox, or even for breakfast or any kind of parties. If you like this simple easy sandwich recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for further notification from my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.